Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to combine postage on eBay. Whether you're a buyer trying to save on shipping or a seller looking to make your customers' checkout smoother, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in eBay, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to sign up for a free account. Creating an account here in eBay is a breeze. All you have to do is to choose between a personal or a business account and then just follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've done that, you should be able to access your account with no problem. On the top left corner, you see your profile icon, okay? And I want you from here click the account settings because this will give you the option in terms of the shipment. The shipment rules or shipping rules can be found here at the selling section. I want you to click the shipping rules. Now, under the shipping preferences, you'd see that you have three options right here. The flat shipping rule, if you click on it, is going to be a flat shipping rule that charges a fixed shipping costs for all buyers, no matter where they live within the specific region. For example, you might charge $5 shipping for any buyer within the US, whether they're in California or New York. So you use this when your shipping costs don't vary much by location or rate, okay? And then the other one is going to be the promotional shipping rule, okay? So the promotional shipping rule is an option that lets you offer discounts or free shipping incentives to encourage more sales. For example, you can have a free shipping when you buy 2 or more items. Let's say $50 off when your order total exceeds $1,000 and you can use this during sales events or to boost repeat or bundle purchases. Now, however, the calculated shipping rule right here, if you click on the edit section, uses the eBay system to automatically compute shipping costs based on the buyer's location, the packages, weight, dimensions. For example, if you want to calculate the shipping from California to New York, okay, it would cost around $100, while the other way around, the buyer sees the correct amount automatically. Now, having said all of that, now it's up to you if you wanted to enable automatic combined postage, all right? You can choose from the following options here for a flat shipping rule, promotional shipping rule, or calculated shipping rule. So this depends heavily on your business size, business goals, or the area that you wanted to cover or your specific market. Now, for example, this one right here, you can choose from add an amount for each additional item. You can do so. All right. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to combine postage on eBay as both a buyer and a seller. It's a great way to save on shipping and keep your transactions organized. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.